And over at the Greater Portmore High School in St. Catharines, students and staff arrived to a familiar yet unpleasant smell. As Sandy Williams found out, it's among the issues causing teachers to quit.
A wall separates the Greater Portmore High School from a National Water Commission sewage plant. Instead of fresh air, the staff and students have to endure the pungent odor.
We have had teachers having to resign because of the stench. We have had persons coming for interview at Greater Portmore High School, got selected to work, but because of the stench, turned down the offer. We have had persons here who would have gone to the doctor on numerous occasions because of the stench coming over and irritating and causing their respiratory system to malfunction.
From where I'm standing on the 8th grade block, I can smell the stench coming from the National Water Commission's sewage plant next door. Now, I've been at the school for about 20 minutes and already the stench is triggering my headache. Now, one can only imagine what students and teachers have been dealing with in the past years and what they are up against if the situation is not fixed this year.
The teaching and learning process must be done in an environment that is ideal, in an environment that facilitates students' learning. With this stench that we are experiencing literally every day, my staff members are uncomfortable, my students are uncomfortable, visitors are uncomfortable. I've had parents coming in and saying that they ain't sending their kids on any latrine.
Principal Ricardo Ross says he's made several complaints about the matter to the National Water Commission, the National Environment and Planning Agency NEPA, and even the Ministry of Health. However, the problem still lingers. And with the new housing developments taking place in neighboring communities, Mr. Ross fears the stench will get worse.
We have Phoenix 1, Phoenix 2, all of that stretch. And my understanding is that all of that is channeled right behind us. And without proper maintenance and upkeep, we are going to suffer.
But for the 2023-24 academic year, he's hoping the authorities would take steps to resolve the issue.
With the new development taking place and the stench getting worse and worse on us, I cannot predict what will happen. But what I do know is that it can be fixed. Because words from the National Water Commission is that it is an expensive venture. So rather than spending the money to fix it, then it seems as if it's best for us to endure the suffering. That cannot work.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.